Are you ready to become a fudge making pro? But don't worry, you don't need a degree in chemistry or a magic wand. All you need are 5 simple ingredients and 10 minutes, and you'll be on your way to creating a sweet treat that is both easy and impressive. But before we start, let me know in the comments if you think Claudia enjoyed the fudge or not. Stick around to find out. Let's start by lining an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper, leaving some overhang on the sides for easy removal later. Using a sieve placed on top of a big bowl, sift 2.5 cups of coconut milk powder and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. This will ensure that the consistency of the fudge will be free of clumps and smooth. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, followed by a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. Walnuts, pecans and pistachios are all great choices. Today I used a mix of all 3. Although the fudge is a treat, I wanted to include nuts that not only bring a delicious crunch, but also have brain-boosting benefits due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. In a small saucepan, let's heat up 1/2 cup of maple syrup over medium heat until it comes to a gentle boil. You don't have to wait for the mixture to thicken. Remove from heat right when it starts boiling. I grew up eating my mom's delicious homemade fudge. I usually like to tweak recipes to make them a bit healthier. In this case, I used maple syrup instead of white sugar, and I also decreased the amount of sweetener, but the end result is not short of amazing. Pour the hot maple syrup over the cocoa mixture, mixing until all the ingredients are well combined and there are no clumps. Transfer the fudge mixture to the prepared dish using a spatula to create a smooth and even surface. Next, place the fudge in the freezer for around an hour or until it's firm. I know it's hard to wait that long, I have trouble with this too, but I promise it's worth the wait. Once the fudge is set, lift it out of the dish using the parchment paper, peel it off and place it on a cutting board. Cut the fudge into squares, rectangles, or any other shapes you like. If you are feeling fancy, sprinkle your favorite toppings. Today I'm going with strawberries and orange zest, but the options are endless. Coconut flakes, flaky sea salt, caramel drizzle, or sprinkles, just to name a few. Store this fudgy masterpiece in the fridge in an airtight container, ready for you to enjoy it whenever you please. Now let's check in on Claudia's verdict. Yay, she loved it! Proof is in the empty plate. Are you craving another yummy and healthy recipe that boosts brain health? Join me in making this no-bake, high-protein energy bites. They disappear quickly in my family. Not too sweet, loaded with healthy fats, and incredibly portable, making them the perfect snack option.